Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So we're already here. We're at a wonderful temple that has lots of lanterns, especially for Buddha's birthday. So let's go and explore. I found a whole building that says information for foreigners, and I have a pamphlet. So the temple, like I said, is called Jogyesa. I will find out. And yeah, gonna read. Just going around the main building now. It's really beautiful, it really is. There's lots of people praying, so I don't think I can take pictures of the inside, but literally the outside is stunning. It's covered all the way along by these just absolutely beautiful paintings. They're so pretty. Like, this temple's probably pretty modern. It must be, because these are like, they're just different like eras, you know. This surely is quite new, and that is old. So yeah, just out of respect, I'll try and get a little bit more of the building, but I don't think I can take videos while people are praying, because it says no cameras. It also says beware of a shoe thief, so there's a crime to be solved here. You know, there's probably a thief about ready to steal those shoes, so we can definitely be on the hunt for him or her while we're walking around. But yeah, let's go check out more sites. Got some more information. So these white lanterns are here to like dedicate the dead, while the colored ones are dedicate the living, like the families, like wishing well. Here is remembering the people that have passed. They do a little bit of a ceremony with the drums and the bell, and they do it twice a day. One of them is at 6:30. I at least know that because that's the one that we went to. And again, it's really nice to see. It's a few minutes long, and you get to hear them bang that gong. Michelle has arrived. She's been a tourist, and yeah, we are just exploring. Is amazing. And yes, Because it's not packed. But yeah, there's plenty of people praying inside. So I would recommend. Look at this fortnight. That is it. So again, like I said, at 6:30 there's a little bit of a ceremony. It's just finishing now inside for people to pray. Definitely worth seeing if you are in and around, especially if you're close to the palace, because you can simply walk here. It is stunning. It is for Buddha and his birthday, or maybe it's all year round. I think it's all year round. Either way, it's good. Michelle, did you enjoy it?
I did. It was beautiful.
See, Michelle enjoyed it and she's picky. So, wherever you are, have a wonderful day and I will see you another time.